Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider Waukesha. If you are a first-time car buyer and you're nervous about purchasing, please don't let that stop you from coming in to see us at Byrider Waukesha. We specialize in helping people who have low, no, or bad credit. Also, we take different forms of income, whether it's a job, social security, any form of reoccurring monthly income, VA benefits. We are here to help you. We're going to do a budget with you, and we're going to make sure that your payments are affordable. Also, if you're worried about maybe you messed up in the past and you had a credit card that you didn't pay well, or you had a repo or an eviction, we can help you with that too. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over a credit application. We're going to go past a year of residency time and a year of job time. And with that, we're going to submit it up to the banks. We're going to make sure that we get you a car payment and a car that's comfortable for you and your needs. On-time payments are the most important part because we want to build your credit. And the only way that we can rebuild your credit is to show the banks on-time payments. So if you're worried about purchasing, don't. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're here for you. You can reach us at 262-506-3131 by Byrider Waukesha. We look forward to working with you.